Hello and welcome to another DIY. My name is Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video, we are going to be making a rose full length mirror. So I saw amberscholl did this on our YouTube channel, so I decided why not transform this mirror. I'm losing my voice. Why not transform this mirror into something cute? Because I've had this mirror for about a year. And I just covered it up with these crystal chain. Yeah, but that's it. I never did anything else to it, so I'm just gonna peel all of these off and then start using these roses that I got from Amazon. They're so cute. Focus. My nails are so... let's not even talk about it. And I also got some more roses right here that I'm gonna peel off and then use. So, yeah. So let's get started. I hope these are easy to... oh, yes it is. Oh, oh. Look at the mirror, it's such a mess. All of this. Thank God the roses will cover it all up. Oh no. I got it. I was so exhausted. In here is hot, so I'm like sweating real bad. Ugh, my hair is getting messed up. I look so cute, by the way. Outfit of the day is from, what's it called? Oh yeah, Forever 21. This dress is so cute. Never mind, back to the mirror. So this is how it's looking right now. It has some glue, some leftover things from there. I'm not even gonna try to take these off. I'm just gonna glue on these roses on there because nobody's actually gonna be seeing it. And it's already looking good. And I'm all done. I'm not gonna throw these away because I think I can make something out of these. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna keep them just in case I come up with some ideas. This is the mirror. Cute. I love this dress. As I keep showing it, like, okay, so let's get straight into this video. First thing first, all we're doing is just basically gluing everything on with my hot glue gun that I got from not Amazon, Walmart for like $3. So that's what I'm doing. When I first started adding the crystal trim onto the mirror, I actually used the E60 glue. So when I started adding on the hot glue gun, it wasn't giving me any problems or anything like that. So it's just easily to add on. So yeah, that's just it. We're just gluing everything on. Glue, glue, glue. There's not much to say because I just explained the whole video right here. But this I found to be very relaxing. Like while I was doing this, gluing everything on, gluing on the flowers and stuff like that, I was listening to some Nina Simone and some like old school music, and honestly, I could not tell you how relaxed I felt because all the colors coming together, and it was pretty easy. Me just gluing on stuff onto the mirror. It pretty much felt like summertime. Yeah, I love it. And I think this only took me like a good hour or two, and everything just came together beautifully. So, yep. So, this is how it's looking so far. I've only finished like a little bit, almost like a half. But I just ran out of this color pink right here. See if it's in focus. So, only thing I have right now is this pink, the white, the black, and the red. So, that's what I'm gonna have to be using for the rest of it. But I love how it's already turning out. So cute. Every time that I try to pull off the red, it just falls apart, but I'm still getting a handle on how I should be doing this. I'm gonna try to make it look good. So this is how the mirror turned out. I absolutely love it. I'm excited. This is it. These are the fish that I made a while back ago, the flowery ones. So I decided why not add a little bit of red on there, since it's I already did the mirror red, white, and pink, so my stocking should match. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna do an updated version of these pretty soon. The leggings, the stockings. I don't know why I keep saying leggings, but I'm gonna do an updated DIY on them soon. So yep, but this is how it's looking. This is so cute. So I have a quick question. Is all of this too much roses, or do we need a little bit more? I can put some on this dress. I'm just joking. But this is so cute. I don't think it's too much. I just think it's just the right amount. Just the right amount.